Welcome back to Star Auto Service. Today we will be rebuilding and assembling the N20 2-liter BMW engine. This engine was used in a wide variety of BMW applications, starting from 2011 and up to 2017. This is one of our many engine builds, and this one in particular will be available for sale once it's complete or for installation in a vehicle. So we've got the crankshaft in with new bearings. We measured the oil clearances with plastic gauge. We got pretty much factory spec. We got on different journals between 3 and 3.5 hundredths of a millimeter. For you Imperial guys, that's about 1.5 thou. That is a very tight clearance. but this is factory spec. And this is why this engine from factory requires 5W20 oil. After about 100,000 kilometers, as these bearings wear out and oil clearances increase, you should shift to 5W40 or 0W40 oil in certain racing applications. You might even go to 5W60. This information is for BMW only. Don't do it for Hyundai or Kia or other makes and models. These engines are very tightly built, they're very unforgiving, and they require a lot of maintenance. Right now, BMW has downgraded their oil change schedule to every 10,000 kilometers. However, a lot of people do 8,000 kilometers between oil changes. And if you have extended warranty or powertrain warranty on your vehicle, most companies require oil changes, like your insurance company will ask for oil change records for every 8,000 kilometers. So there you go. Oil changes, very, very important on those vehicles. And good quality oil. Don't go to Jiffy Lube or whatever where you don't know what they're putting in your car. Make sure that you put liquid moly or Motul oil. Okay, so now we're ready to put some pistons in this thing. We've got one of the original suppliers. These are OEM pistons and new connecting rods. We've already checked the ring end gap. It's all looking good. And we've serviced the cylinder head. We put new valve seals on it and lapped the valves. Obviously clean and everything like that. Checked it for flatness. So we're proceeding with the reassembly. So these 2-liter engines have multiple problems: timing chains, connecting rod bearings, main bearings, crankshafts. But also another big issue is the oil pumps. Here I have a couple of old oil pumps that we've changed out. It's not just an oil pump. They have a balance shaft that is driven off of the timing chain, and then they have a gear drive in here to drive the oil pump shaft, and the oil pump is actually back here. This is what happens to them. And then these gears break, these bushings wear out, and then or even seize up, and then you lose drive to the oil pump. And of course, then you have no oil pressure, and the engine will suffer catastrophic damage. So we found this situation on about half of the engines we rebuild. So we make it a practice to always install a brand new oil pump, as you can see over here. So this engine is completely ready for installation. It is going to be up for sale on our Facebook account. Also, if you have a vehicle that needs an engine installed, we can do the work for you. Please sign up and follow us on Facebook. Call us with any questions you may have, and we'll see you in the next video.